Okay, we're back, and this time I'm going to be using a lot of white, putting that in first. Then I'm going to paint the background. Let's see, I gotta do it with this, I guess. This is the titanium one. So we're gonna make it smooth so that everything can move over this canvas. That's that. And now I'm going to be adding the colors. This time I'm going to go and do a lot of color. I'm going to use most of it because this is it. Tomorrow I'm going to do something different. That's a lot of color. Oops. And some blue. That's a lot of color. Then I'm gonna add the mixing white, and I'm going to add a little bit of Payne's gray just to spice it up a little bit. Now there's a lot of paint. Ooh, I see that I need more white. Let's put some more white in there. Okay, it's not staying on top, so can't have it all. Now I'm going to, like I did before, turn this so that there's a lot of pressure on this little bit of corner of this thing, and we're going to cut off. That's it. Oops, oops, oops. And now it's much brighter, right? Isn't that funny how adding just a little bit of this or that and it's a lot brighter than the previous one? This one is really pretty. So gonna make sure that doesn't all fall off here. Go back, go up here. And down here, this is pretty. Ooh, come on. Oh, there's a lot of paint going over the sides. Let me get a palette knife. Now it's going over this side. This one, the corner, corner, and corner. Now, I'm going to leave it exactly like this. Look at that. See the definition here in this color? Now that is pretty. That is really, really pretty. I'm going to leave it exactly like this. Okay. Put it there because I want to use a little bit of this paint. Clean off my hands a little bit. Because I'm already thinking maybe something pretty will come out for the use of pendants. Who knows? So I'm going to put this here in the middle. I'm going to put one on top. Wow, totally didn't expect this go gray. Just in, did you see that? It was just wham, gray. That is really, really strange. Now some might really like it, I don't. That is really, that was hysterical. I've never seen anything go gray that fast. See that? It is totally gray. That is really, really, really a putt. Okay, a Dutch word for really, really different. Really, really a putt. Ooh, that does sell up really nice. Look at those cells. That is awesome. Okay, let's do something with that, because look at that. It just sealed up without even torching. So let me get some of this off the table. We're not going to be using this anyway. Went totally gray. This one too. This can go. Just making a little bit of a clean spot. I want to get my paint in that. Okay. So what we did was we had a little bit of paint. Which we will smooth out just a little bit. Then we're going to put some of that color on there. A little bit of purple. A little bit of darker purple. And then I still have a little bit of green. Then we're going to put the swipe color up here. Clean off the palette knife, but I want my other palette knife. Let's see, where are you? Oh, there you are. Let's do this. Now you're not really seeing, because I'm looking at my monitor, but you're not really seeing the shine, but it is there. That is kind of fun. So we're going to keep this one. And we're going to do one more. Last one though. I'm out of paper. Trying to do not too much of that, you know, too much of it together. I should have cut it in half straight away. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, that's nothing. Yeah, that's not really that. I'm thinking, wow. A tiny, tiny little bit maybe here in the middle. But that's it, and that's not big enough for a pendant. So, well, it doesn't always work, guys. So that's just how the cookie crumbles. Nope, can't live with that one either. But you gotta try, because you know, if you don't try it, you won't know, and it'll always be in the back of your head thinking, you know, can we do that with this paint? We can't. The thing is that this is only for I think for pouring. It's beautiful, but for this, nah, not really. I've done it a couple of times though, and I know that, you know, it's just not it. Because the swipes I did 2 weeks ago with the gold and all the pretty springy colors, they didn't turn out either. So we're just going to leave it as is. this were the painting we're really happy with, because that's going to be awesome once it's really dry. That is really pretty. And I think it really did need that little bit of white in between, because it sort of makes for a interesting pattern. We have a couple of air bubbles in here though. I'm going to get rid of those. So it does give an interesting little pattern. So I think that's something that you should make sure you have, or you can try without, but I think you'll go back to having a little bit of real paint in there, you know, just to give it definition. So guys, I want to thank you for this one too, and I will see you tomorrow, where we're going to do the drawing of March. Yes, I'm going to give away 2 beautiful pendants. They'll be ready tomorrow so that I can handle them at least. I do want to wait 2 or 3 days before I send them out, because just to be on the safe side that they are totally done. Okay guys, thanks all for watching. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. See you all in the next one.